How to add a category to YouTube Shorts. On YouTube, there isn't a special separate category option just for Shorts. Shorts use the same system as regular videos. You assign the category when you upload or edit the video. Firstly, go to your YouTube studio and sign in. Go to the Shorts section and select a short that you'd like to edit. Click on the pencil icon for details. In the details section, scroll down and you will see a show more option. Click on that. After that, you will see other advanced options. Scroll down to the very bottom and you will see a category section. Now you can select a category that best describes the short. There are different categories as such. Select a category that fits the video. After selecting the category, click on the Save option at the top right corner. This categorization will be used by YouTube to show the video to different audience. If you are uploading the video, then you will see the same interface at the top page. So this is how you can set categories on YouTube Shorts on YouTube. That's all for today. Thank you.